Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mung bean soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried mung beans, which are small and green. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of water or vegetable broth ready. Don't forget your aromatics. A few cloves of garlic and a small piece of fresh ginger will add wonderful flavor. A pinch of salt and a dash of oil are also crucial for a delicious start. This simple list ensures a flavorful and comforting soup. Now, let's get those mung beans ready for cooking. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of dried mung beans under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes any dust or debris. Next, place the rinsed beans in a bowl and cover them with fresh water, allowing them to soak for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Soaking helps them cook faster and more evenly. While they soak, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger. These will be your flavor base. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. In a medium pot, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic and ginger, sautéing for about 1 minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Drain the soaked mung beans and add them to the pot, stirring to combine. Pour in 4 cups of water or broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the beans are tender. Your delicious mung bean soup is now ready to enjoy. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. You might also add a squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions for an extra burst of flavor and color. This comforting and nutritious soup is perfect for any meal. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.